Okay, so the last one will be on the do while loop. Now, the PHP do while loop is used to execute a block of code at least once. The do while loop in PHP is similar to the PHP while loop, but in case of do while loop, the condition checker expression is evaluated at the bottom of the loop. Now we are going to set the syntax for this do while loop. So either we start from PHP, so make sure that you have to go with the PHP language. So the syntax will be PHP, and then I'm going to set here the do, followed by, let's start from the do, followed by the code to be executed here, to be executed once the situation or the condition is already met, and then we can set here the while condition. So this is the structure of the do while loop. Again, I'm going to set this one to a comment so that it will not affect our code. We'll start from the HTML, followed by the title will be on the do while loop. Let's start from a very simple condition. Let's just say maybe I'm going to print out just the same, but this time I'm going to print out at least the number will be on 2 to 20, something like that, so it will multiply from the number of a certain array. So let's start with the PHP, and then followed by the number. So number will be equivalent to 2. Let's start here 2, and then the incremental value that we're going to set, which will be, let's just say a will be equivalent to 1, followed by the condition. Now we set with do. So what we'll do here is that of course it will print out something. This time we are going to print out, so we'll be printing out the number, then we will multiply the value of a, which will be a, and then so what will happen here is that it will keep on printing every now and then until such time it will meet a certain condition. So let's try the code first on what we're going to do, and then I don't want to the code to be in just one line, so I have to set the break line again, followed by the thing that we're going to increment for this a. Okay, so we're going to increment the value of a every now and then. Mean to say that once it runs, the value of a will be increased until such time it will meet a certain condition. Take note, we are going to set first for what will be the condition for this do while loop. So at this rate, I'm going to now set the condition. Let's just say I want to have a countdown to 20 or at least 10. So it will have a countdown of 10, and I'm going to set 10. Right, followed by a semicolon. Now this is just a very simple idea of a do while loop. So I'm going to explain to you what will happen once we save this one. So let's save this. Well, save as, and then this time I'm going to set do while loop. Save. Go back here, and then I set here localhost slash do while loop.php. Okay, now let's digest the code here. So what happens here is that it starts or initiates the value of number to be 2, and at the same time a to become 1. So what will happen here is that on the echo part, on the printing part here, is that it will print out the value of 2, however it will be multiplied by the number of 1. So we have here 2 multiplied the value of 1, so we have here 2, and then it will break to the next line, and after that it will increase its value, so this will become 2 later on. At this rate, we are going to set now, or it's already reading the condition, is a, which is equivalent to 1, less than or equal to 10. So if it's true, it will go back again on top. So at this rate, the value of a right now, it will become 2. Okay, so 2 will be multiplied again by the value of 2. That's why you have here an output of 4. Okay? And then after such time, it will go on to multiplication of 3. It will become 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 5, until such time we have an output of 20. Okay? Now at this rate, once it reaches 10, so 10 will be multiplied to 2. That's why you have here an output of 20. If ever this value will also increase again by another 1, which will now become 11, so 11 here will no longer be less than or equal to 10 because that is already false. Okay, so at this rate, it will stop. That's why you have an output of 2 to 20.